Welcome back to another video. It amazes me how many people out there own chainsaws and don't actually know how to sharpen them. So today I'm going to show you how to sharpen my 200T. I'm going to sharpen the teeth. I'm going to show you how to take the edges down to get a nice cut. So we've got the saw set up in the vise here. I'm going to be using a 4mm round file to do the teeth and a flat file to do the rakers. I don't know if you can see, but just there's a little line. Use the file parallel with that line. So that line is parallel with your file, and then you get a sharp tooth. Same again. And that is one side done. Quick and easy. Now I've got the other side to do. Exactly the same. Find that little line on there. Keep it parallel. Just far away. flat file here. Going to take the rates down. Just like to do one swipe on each one. I'll do the opposite side first and I'll flip it around and do the other side. Thanks for watching. Let's see how she cuts.